Welcome back to the 805 Barbecue Junkie. And today we're gonna make some boneless chicken thighs. We're gonna stuff them with cream cheese and a jalapeno, and then we're gonna wrap them with bacon. So let's just get started. Let's get right into it because I'm excited for this cook. So get your jalapeno. I already knocked out most of them. I just wanted to show you how to do it real quick. You can get a spoon or use your knife. There's a lot of little utensils you can use, but this was easier for me. So just go in there and just gut it all out. Pretty simple. 2 tablespoons of ground pepper, okay? Dang, making a mess. And then I'm gonna use sazon. It's the chicken seasoning. It's the best, I'm telling you guys. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons. This is gonna be like, instead of using salt, I'm using sazon. 2 tablespoons. It's delish. This is what I used to use for my taquero business. Boneless chicken thigh. It's skinless as well. Some of these pieces you're gonna have to trim up. So for example, this one, there's a little bit fat right here. Just trim it up. You got another little piece that's hanging right here. Go ahead and take that one off. We'll save this for a Scooby snack for my dog. Just trim it up. Very important that you season both sides. You want flavor. Get your jalapeno. I got a little block of cream cheese right here. I put it in the freezer so it can firm up. I can work with it better. There it is. Simple. Put it down. Just wrap. Just like so. Pretty easy, right? Here, I like stretching the bacon. And I just wrap. When you put it on the chicken, stretch the bacon on the chicken itself. Then I can tuck it under. So this is pretty good for me right here. All right, guys. These guys are done. Check them out. They look good, don't they? Damn. All I did was season the top of the chicken with the bacon on top. I had a little bit extra seasoning left, and that's what I did. And then I had 2 with no wrap. I ran out of bacon. But anyways, check them out. Woo! I'm going to show you guys how to grill these on an open fire. You can use charcoal, you can use wood, you can smoke them. But the way I'm going to do them today, we're going to grill them. I'll see you guys at the fire. At the fire grill with the 805 Barbecue Junkie. I'm excited to cook today. It's Friday. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put it on the more like a cool side. Can't wait for these bad boys to be cooked. I'm starving. This is how you know when to turn your chicken bomb. See how the bacon kind of crisp up already? You just turn it to the side. I already turned these to the side. See that? You see what I'm talking about? You gotta be gentle with them. I also set up a timer so you guys can get a feel of how long. So 13 minutes before I really started to turn. So, and I got it up high. You guys can do this with the Santa Maria, with the Weber. I mean, there's all kinds of different ways you guys can do this. All right, here's a timer. They're catching it? Yeah, 37 minutes into this cook. So I took the top shelf off. This is gonna be top shelf chicken. So here's what I'm noticing. When I wrap the bacon, I should have wrapped the bacon around as well to create a solid capsule, if you will. So I'm losing all the cream cheese. But we learn as we go. No biggie. So next time we wrap, or next time you guys wrap all the way around. And I did the mistake of not wrapping. Sweet Baby Ray's. So what I have in here is probably 2 cups of Sweet Baby Ray's. All right, I tamped it. I don't know if you guys can see it. This sucker's reading 175. Oh, you know what? Here we go. I'll just bring up the whole chicken. 175. It's too hot for me. But it's all right. You want it at 165. At least at 165. It was heat up the barbecue sauce. I don't want it thick. I want it runny. And I just place them right there. Just run it through the tray of barbecue sauce. This is what you're looking for. Chance. The chicken's firm all the way around to the touch. You can feel it when you're grabbing the chicken. It's firm. Hey, Chance. If you don't have a temperature gauge or a thermal pin, whatever, you can eyeball it. You can feel it. If it's firm, dunk it. It's ready. Chaos over here with my dog. Let's check out this timer. We got 48 minutes cooking. There you go. You want the barbecue sauce to caramelize on the chicken. This is what we're looking for. All right, let me give these a second dunk. And I'm gonna cook them for another maybe 10 minutes. And then we'll take them off and we'll taste them. All right, stay with me, guys. Stay with me. BBQ chicken bombs. Bomb. Let's see here. Took an hour, right? An hour and 10 minutes. Probably took an hour because it took me like 10 minutes to bring all the camera equipment over here. And set up over here for you guys. This is a bad boy we're gonna cut right now. And it's warm. Let's just go down the middle, see what it looks like inside. I'm curious if the cream cheese did stay inside. A little bit cream cheese, not much, right? Because it all came out from this end. It's all good. We got pretty good cream cheese on this one. So when you guys wrap, make sure you guys wrap the whole thing. All right, that doesn't matter anymore. What matters is the actual taste test. Let me get this piece with the jalapeno, the cream cheese. Salud. Wow. Wow. Let me tell you what it tastes. The first thing that comes through is the jalapeno. It is a little spicy, but then you got that cream cheese that comes down and just cools the whole thing. The bacon, the chicken, it's well seasoned because we seasoned both sides. Remember we seasoned both sides? But this is delicious and it's moist. It's moist, really moist. And then that bacon, everything comes together really nice. You know what? This is good. I haven't made these in a long, long time. But I said, you know what? I got to make this for my viewers. You guys got to make this. This is delicious. I just can't stop looking at them. My mouth keeps on watering. But I wanted to show you guys one of my favorite recipes. And if I would change something, I would change wrapping the bacon on this end right here. Therefore, the cream cheese doesn't come out. And most of them we lost. We lost cream cheese. There's no doubt that we didn't, but we did. But it doesn't matter because they're still freaking bomb. So next time, wrap all the way around. Well, thank you guys for watching this entire video. I hope you guys watched the entire video. Gracias. And thank you for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. And you already know, I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Stay tuned because I have a lot of videos coming your guys' way. You guys have a blessed weekend. Remember, it's Friday.